Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So yes, I finally got my BoxyCharm here, and I think this one is the premium box. I don't know, but we are about to open it as soon as I get me some scissors right now. Got me some scissors. So if you guys do not know what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box, and it's basically a monthly beauty subscription box. The base box is $25, the premium box is $35, and then once every 3 months, if you have the base box, you can upgrade to the Luxe box, and that box has roughly between 8 and 9 items in that box. So I do currently have the base box and the premium box, and I think this one is the premium box. I'm still waiting for one box. It is not here yet, but my box is here, so I figured I'll get a little cute for you guys to unbox this box. If you guys are curious about my little headband here, I will leave a link for it down below in my description box. I do sell headbands, and this is a head tie actually, and other beauty products like lip gloss. I will leave that link down below in the description box if you want to check it out. But you're here for my BoxyCharm, so let's see if we actually got a card this month. So I'm gonna put it right back here in front of me, lift it up. Let's move the box out of the way. So this month's theme is the Oasis. That's what it looks like right there. And I got variation 56. So we're gonna put that to the side. So this is, let me show you what my box looks like as I'm looking at it. So this is how my box came. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna pick up right here is from Living Proof. This is Restore Instant Protection, Weightless Heat and UV Protection. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a hairspray, that protective styling hairspray. Yeah, it looks like a hairspray I am not going to use. It shields hair from heat tools that reach 450 degrees, 24-hour UV protection. This non-drying spray keeps strands soft, smooth, and shiny. Safe for color and chemically treated hair. Alright, so this is a product here I most likely will not keep. And this here retails for $28. The next item in my box is this box here. It's from Glow Recipe. I don't know if you guys can saw that, but it says Glow Recipe on the box. Looks just like this, and it's sealed too. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleepy Mask, moisturizing, firming. Alright, so it's a sleeping mask. That is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open that real quick. Oh, I thought I cut it. Okay, there we go. Dun, dun, dun. That's pretty. It looks like an avocado color. Of course, avocado milk. So this is what the sleeping mask looks like. It looks very pretty, similar to their other containers that are like this. Where is my one? I have something over here I can show you guys. No, I don't. It's in my bathroom. If you guys haven't seen my skincare video, I show you guys my different skincare products, and I'm using their watermelon mask or moisturizer right now, and I did put it on today. But this is nice. I'm happy to get another sleepy mask, even though I currently have one open. We will try this out eventually. So I'm going to go ahead and put that away. So this Glow Recipe Sleepy Mask retails for, wow, this retails for $49. I hope I don't fall in love with this, because if I do, my husband will be mad at me. But yeah, so this retails for $49. So the next item in my box is from the brand NARS. This is their powder matte lip pigment. So it looks like this, and this is in the shade Call Me. So let's go ahead and see what shade this is. If I don't like the shade, you guys will let you guys know, I probably won't be keeping this. So that is the shade. The shade's actually like really pretty. So this retails for $18. Ooh, no, that's the wrong thing. This retails for $26. So it's a power matte lip pigment. So that is what the doe foot looks like. Whoa, okay. That is a lot brighter than what was on the bottle. A lot brighter. And I already swatched it. Alright, let's see. I want this to dry down to see how matte it gets. But yeah, this right here retails for $26, and this is in the shade Call Me. The next item I'm picking up is from Natasha Denona. This is their eyeliner. Looks just like this. And this eyeliner retails for $18. What was the color on this thing? So this eyeliner is in the shade Light Blue. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna swatch this right here. But this is what the eyeliner looks like. It is a you know, a wild out there color. Okay. It's not complete. It's not hard. That is the color. It looks really pretty. I want to try this out. I need a mirror. We're gonna use this one right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I want to see if this is actually going to show up on me. So we're gonna see. We're gonna put this down here in my waterline. Okay, so this eyeliner is one of those eyeliners that, of course, you need to use something like a lighter concealer, or yeah, basically a light concealer color for it to show up on me. So kind of like that yellow one from ColourPop called Punch. That one is a yellow shade. Kind of reminds me of that, where you need like a white base for it to pop. So I'm gonna keep this and, you know, test it out some more. And this here does retail for $18. So the next item that's in my box is from the brand $1 Billion Brushes. And it looks like this. I got a brush here. This is their Sculpting Duo brush. So you can contour and highlight. So this is a contour brush and a highlight brush. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it because I don't really use brushes like this, because I don't know how I'm supposed to store it. Do I have it standing up or do I lay it down? I'm not really sure about that. So, you know what, let's just go ahead and test it out. If not, I know who's someone I can give this to if I don't like it. It is soft. This is a very soft brush. This brush retails for $30. This don't retail for no $30. They gotta be joking, right? Cause the Pharaoh here, the Pharaoh seemed cheap. I know they're not trying to say this brush is $30. No, they not. No, they not. Okay. On my card, it says this retails for $30. I personally don't believe it, but here we go. Here's the brush. We'll test that out soon. Not this video, but we'll test it out soon. So the last thing that came in my box, wrapped in the foam here. Go ahead and move the box. It's like all up in my way. So the last thing that came in my box is from Too Faced. This is the Coca Contour Palette, Now, I remember in Choice when I chose, you know, you were able to choose something that you really wanted in your box. I didn't choose this palette. I chose an eyeshadow palette. But I did see on Instagram where a few days ago where Joe mentioned that there was a mix-up and those that a lot of people received the wrong palette, and not to message him that they know which ones it was and they were going to fix the issue. I hope they do, because I didn't choose this palette. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like. But that's what it looks like on the back of the palette. Open it up. Okay, by the way, this here retails for $44. Pretty palette. Very, very pretty palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It's very pretty. It reminds me of, I just had it. It reminds me of this one here. This one's pretty too. This one came in the BoxyCharm as well. Was it last month? I think it was last month I got this in BoxyCharm. But this one is very pretty. It does have the little gold heart right there. And on the back is basically really reflective. Like it's basically a mirror, and I don't want to show that to you guys. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Alright, so there's no protective thing on here. But this, I'm going to use the card here. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the palette. So this is what the palette looks like. I hope it's like not too reflective for you guys. But that is what the palette looks like. This is a contour and highlight palette. I'm going to swatch the two deeper shades over here on the side. But if it doesn't work for me, I know who I can send this to. So I'm going to try the deep highlight and the deep contour on the side right here. Ooh, this palette is so soft. So this here is the highlight. It's more of like a peachy orange shade. Like it is so soft. It's actually really pretty. Now this contour shade, this deep contour, that's how it looks on my finger, by the way. I'm just swatching it with my finger. Did that even show up? Yo, hold on, wait a minute. Like, it doesn't show up. Like, I don't know what I can do with this palette. Like, I know someone that I could send this to. I don't know if she has this palette already. But I am going to call her as soon as I'm done filming with you guys and see if she has this palette. If she doesn't, I might utilize this palette as an eyeshadow palette. That might not be a bad idea. But yeah, so here we go. Here is this palette right here. So that is everything in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys have not tried BoxyCharm, you should really try it out. It is a beauty subscription. You can get makeup, you can get skincare, you can even get hair care products, as you guys saw right here. I really do enjoy receiving BoxyCharm. I pay for BoxyCharm myself. I do have a link down below in the description box if you would like to try BoxyCharm. If you use my link, it just gives me an extra couple points towards some free items in their charm shop, if you do not mind signing up with my link. But yeah, I do BoxyCharm Wednesday videos here on my channel. Every Wednesday I do some kind of BoxyCharm content. Last week I did my BoxyCharm skincare routine. If you have not seen that, I'll make sure I link that up in the cards for you guys to check out or have it at the end screen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do a lot of BoxyCharm contents. Be looking out for me to do, I'm going to test this out. I'm going to go ahead and test this out as an eyeshadow. So if I don't like it, I know who to send this to. Hopefully she does not have the palette. But yeah, so that's all I want to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to embrace your beauty. And let me know which version of this box did you get. Did you happen to get the same products? If not, let me know which products you have gotten. By the way, I did get version 56. And the weight on my box, hold on, let me tell you guys what my weight was. Alright, the weight of my box was 2 pounds and 4 ounces, or 2.4 pounds, 1.09 kilograms. So that's how much, you know, my box weighed, if you guys are curious. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember to embrace your beauty. Go ahead and check out my online store. I do have a lot of cool things on there and more things coming in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to embrace your beauty. And I will see you guys again later. Please make sure you subscribe and your bell's on so you always get notified every time I have another BoxyCharm video. Bye.